Now let's find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. So let's just write down the multiples of 4 that are equal or greater than 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 4, 20. Should be enough for now. And we'll do the same to 6. So start with the 6, add 6, 12, add 6, 18, add 6, 24, 30, and so on. There we go. So these are the multiples of 4 and 6. And the least common multiple will be the smallest number that is a multiple for both. In this case, that will be the 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. But I want to give you guys another way to find the LCM. And that's going to involve prime number factorization. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. We just need these for now. And how does prime number factorization work? I'm going to make a factor tree. That will involve dividing the numbers by prime numbers until we have only prime numbers. So let's take the 4 and we can divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is just 2. So we are already done prime number factorizing 4. How easy. So 2 times 2, that's it. Now let's do the same with 6. We can divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is just 3. So we just have 2 times 3. How is that going to help us figuring out the LCM? Well, let's take a look at each prime number that we have here. We have the 2 and we have the 3, right? And the 2 repeats twice for the 4 and just once for the 6. Now we're going to take always the maximum number of occurrences of each prime number. So 2 occurs twice for the 4, right? So we're going to put 2 2's for the LCM. And what about the 3? We also have 3. 3 only repeats once for the 6. So that's the maximum number of occurrences already. So put a 3 over there. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. Great. Okay, so let's use this method to figure out the LCM the LCM of 8 and 12. So prime number factorizing 8, I can divide it by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. It's not a prime number, so I need to divide it again by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we only have prime numbers. So we have prime number factorized 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Now let's prime number factorize 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Divided by 2 is 3. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so how do we find the LCM? Let's take a look at the prime numbers here. We have the 2, right? And the number of occurrences that 2 has for 8 is 3. We have 3 2's and only 2 2's for 12. So we need the maximum number of occurrences, which is 3 2's for the 8. And then we only have the 3 again, and again it only repeats once, and that's the maximum number of occurrences that we have for the 3. So the LCM will be just equal to 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 24. LCM 24. That's it.